Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and creating a movie project. This gets your clips into Imovie's timeline fast. Once done, drag the clip you'll edit into the timeline and play to the exact frame you want to cut. Make sure to stop with the playhead precisely at that frame, because Imovie's only reliable cutting action is to split at the playhead. So select the clip, position the playhead, and get ready to split. This non-destructive split preserves each source clip. You now perform the actual cut. Press Command+B or right-click and choose Split Clip. This instantly separates the clip at the playhead. Then zoom the timeline to refine exact frames and drag the newly exposed edges to trim without losing nearby footage. Once split, open the Precision Editor to nudge edit points frame by frame. This helps remove jumpiness and match action. Also, use ripple deletes to close gaps after removing segments. And remember that splitting is reversed. When you've made your cuts, polish audio with fade handles and level controls so edits feel seamless, and drop short transitions only where needed. Once satisfied, select the project and use File Share to export your finished movie. If something goes wrong, like the split command doing nothing, make sure the clip is actually selected and the playhead sits on that clip, otherwise Command+B splits nothing. If clips are connected or locked, detach or unlock first, then retry the split.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.